Hey, greetings from Texas. Okay, here's another update on where we are. I'll show you I did the electrical, the plumbing. Tomorrow is Monday. We're having drywall guys come out. So I'm done doing what I'm gonna do. And once the drywall's done, that's gonna take 2 or 3 days, the retexturing. I'm gonna get a house painter, come in and paint the interior. I have 25-foot tall ceilings, so I'm gonna let the pros do that, and that's pretty much all we got left. Well, on top of all the other things I got to do, Sabrina's golf cart gas tank was leaking from this cap, and that's where the fuel filter is now, and it's built onto that cap. I had to make my own gasket, which failed when I refurbished this last year, so I got this Forma gasket sealant. This is fuel resistant, so hopefully that's fixed. Okay, doesn't look like it's leaking. I let that cure overnight. So I have my electrical hooked up, 2 new switches. I ran new line. Did have to replace part of the line. And then so we have our new light fixture, the kitchen light, and the new light fixture for the dining area light. And I left a lot of extra Romex so I could trim it to fit. I just didn't want to have not enough. And then I tapped into the line and installed the, for the refrigerator, new refrigerator ice maker. Took out the old line. I did check with a plumber and they wanted $450 just to tie into that end, put in that box. I took the clips from the old water line and secured the new Trex, so we're all cleaned up. Okay, next we have to remove this old light fixture because I'm gonna have the drywall guy retexture it before we repaint it. This is a Bissell portable upholstery cleaner for automobiles, and Sabrina just got done cleaning all the cushions. She said it worked great. That was about, I think about $80 for that. It's real easy to use and saved us a lot of money on having it professionally cleaned. I appreciate you guys sticking around, checking out how we're doing. And as usual, I appreciate you watching.